Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem a Razer Gold gift card. If you have got one of these cards and you want to use it for gaming or other purchases, I'll walk you through the steps. So now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Razer Gold website at gold.razer.com. After that, log into your Razer Gold account. If you don't have one, you can quickly create an account by clicking on sign up. Now, once logged in, navigate to the redeem section and you can find this option in the menu or on the dashboard. Enter the code from your Razer Gold gift card into the provided field and click redeem. The funds will be added to your Razer Gold wallet instantly. And that's how you redeem a Gold gift card. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.